May kumatok po ba?
Ay, wala po. Pero hindi po sa sir ba?
Sige lang po. Ha? Nahanap ka ni Maki. Tsaka naka-live ako. Tumatay ka kanina, no?
Oo.
Sabi na amoy eh.
Okay.
Hello sa 16.4 viewers. What's up? What do you wanna see? Tell me. Tell me what you wanna see. You wanna see me? Or you wanna see me? Or you wanna see me? What do you wanna see? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me in the comment section. Do you wanna see? Or you wanna see? Or you wanna see? Tell me. Tell me, baby. Tell me what you want to see. Love, di ko alam ano nangyayari sa akin. Hello po sa 17,000 viewers. Pasensya na po kung aga-aga, nag-iingay na po ako. Wala naman po akong ginagawang tama. Hindi na ako natutuwa sa'yo. Hyper ko, no? Anyways, samahan niyo ako maligo. Joke lang. Happy birthday sa lahat ng may birthday ngayon. Happy birthday. Magbibihis na ako, teka lang. Pero bago lahat, maghilamos muna tayo. Ito na lang, samahan nyo na lang ako maghilamos. Kanta ka ng Room. As soon as I set foot and try As soon as I set foot and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they couldn't mind. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you off my mind. My oh my. Come and get inside, let's talk about it in my room. Bang. Hope you hear me cause I'm gone in bed. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa inyo guys. Nakita ko yung music video ng Room. Nasa 300k views na. Thank you, thank you. Salamat po. Listen to what I'm about to say. You'll find the answer. Bug ka naka-live? Anong bug? Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling fills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Can you read the room? Can you read the room? Can you? I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Ang random, ba't din ako naghilamos? Naghilamos na ako kanina. Ambot. Random. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with you. Man. Nanood ba kayo ng Jessica Soho kagabi? I would like to thank Miss Jessica Soho and the team for featuring me last night. Maraming salamat po. Bukod sa na-interview ako, na-promote pa yung bago kong song. Maraming salamat po, Miss Jessica. At sa mga nanood po, maraming salamat din sa inyo. Sa lahat ng bumati sa akin ng birthday ko, thank you. Friends, family, 18, SB19, and the casual peoples, ano ba? Mga ninangs namin, maraming salamat. Mga nagpadala ng cake, thank you so much. I love you all. I love you all. Always keep that in mind. So ngayon naman po magbibihis na tayo. Samahan niyo ako magbihis. Oh! Baka sabihin ng mga tao kung ano yung pinagkagagawa ko. Siyempre hindi pwede. I'm wearing the 1 million shirt. Hey, I feel like... Ba't ang hyper ko? Ganun ba pag kumakain ng breakfast na kanin sa umaga? Baby, I'm the one putting up there. Right. Can you read the room? Huh? Can you read the room? Huh? Can you read the room? Look. Teka lang. Sino yan? Shoes na lang.
We're ready for the...
Shoes na lang. Saan ba yung rehearsal? Okay. Meron akong di matanggal. Ay, shucks. May matulis. I know tapos na yung birthday ko pero patuloy niyo pa rin akong binabati at nararamdaman ko pa rin ang supportan niyo until now. So, yeah, maraming salamat. And naniniwala akong hindi pa tapos ang birthday celebration dahil may mga nararamdaman pa akong mangyayari. Anyways, ingat kayo today. And kung may mga lakad kayo, mag-ingat kayo. See you soon. Sa mga manonood sa June 6 sa June 18 sa Araneta, see you po. Para sa Hitman. And sa mga nasa US and Canada, see you. Yan. Ready na. Mag-cup ba ako? Wala pa ako dalang cup. Anyways, again, thank you so much guys. Kita-kita po tayo mamaya sa event namin dito sa Agusan and Yeah, maraming salamat ulit. And keep on streaming Room sa lahat ng music platforms. And stream also the music video on YouTube. Maraming salamat sa support, guys. And have a great day. Always remember, Daddy still loves you. No, I love you. Bye. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you. Bye-bye. Love you. Ingat ka. Bye.